As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the Performance Series 4-burner and the Pro Series 2-burner, and I'm trying to figure out which one is better. What are your thoughts?
Okay, let's dive in. The Performance Series, that's B07JZV24HV, right? It's got 4 burners, which is great if you're cooking for a crowd, and a side burner too.
Yeah, 4 burners and a side burner, 36,000 BTU rating, and a total cooking area of 475 square inches, plus a 130 square inch warming rack. The Pro Series 2-burner, B0CSPKXRST, only has 2 burners and a 20,000 BTU rating.
True, but the Pro Series has that amplifier infrared cooking system. They claim it grills juicier food and prevents flare-ups, and it converts to a griddle, which is kind of cool. It has a modular cooking system.
I see that. It's only 325 square inches of primary cooking space, plus a 111 square inch warming rack, but you can swap it out for a griddle surface.
Exactly. So it depends on what you're prioritizing. If you're always cooking for a large group, the Performance Series is probably better. More cooking space and more BTUs.
But if I want the option to do both grilling and griddling, and I don't usually cook for a huge crowd, the Pro Series might be the way to go, even though it's a bit more expensive at $449 compared to $369.99.
Precisely. The Pro Series also boasts a 10-year warranty on the burners, which is pretty impressive. The Performance Series doesn't specify its warranty length.
Good catch. The weight difference is significant too. The Performance Series is 85 pounds, and the Pro Series is a hefty 151.7 pounds. Makes the Pro Series sound sturdier, but harder to move.
Definitely something to consider. And the customer reviews, the Performance Series has way more, 3,815 versus only 46 for the Pro Series. But both have decent ratings, 4.5 and 4.1 respectively.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Pro Series. The griddle option and the longer burner warranty are tempting, even with fewer burners.
Sounds like a good choice. Just make sure you're okay with the smaller cooking area and the heavier weight. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.